My wife and I have been married for 20 years, very happy. But we needed a little extra oomph in the bedroom, and we were doing some research on finding just the right thing to help with my wife's libido. And I found Germany Sex Drops, and we were looking at it on the computer, and having a 30-day money-back guarantee really appealed to us, and decided to go ahead and order it. Ordered it, and it came very quickly. And what I also like about it is that it came in discreet packaging. Not that I was embarrassed, but for my wife's sake. Just wanted that sense of privacy. And it was everything that we thought it would be. The Germany Sex Drops work fantastic. She's really happy, which means I'm really happy. And that increase in libido is just what we were hoping for. And these Germany Sex Drops, no side effects, just works really well, and I'm just so pleased with it. So people who may need that little extra oomph, I would say the Germany Sex Drops are fantastic, and they're absolutely worth checking out. It worked for me, and I know it'll work for a whole bunch of other people as well.